Welcome to our video. Today we are exploring the best rice cookers with induction heating. We'll break down top choices that deliver perfect, evenly cooked rice every time. Be sure to check the description box for product links and more details. Stay tuned for a special feature that sets these cookers apart. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the Zojirushi Pressure Induction Heating Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi Pressure Induction Heating Rice Cooker is a top-of-the-line appliance that takes rice cooking to new heights. With its innovative combination of pressure cooking and induction heating technology, this rice cooker delivers unparalleled results, making it a must-have for serious rice aficionados. Capacity and design. This model boasts a generous 5.5-cup uncooked rice capacity, allowing you to prepare large batches with ease. The sleek, modern design features a platinum-infused non-stick inner cooking pan that not only makes cleanup a breeze, but also ensures your rice releases perfectly every time. Advanced cooking functions. Beyond its powerful pressure and induction heating capabilities, the Zojirushi rice cooker is packed with specialized cooking functions. From quick cooking options to settings tailored for different rice varieties, you can achieve restaurant-quality results at home with the touch of a button. Why it's great. For those who demand the absolute best in rice cooking performance, the Zojirushi Pressure Induction Heating Rice Cooker is simply unmatched. The combination of pressure and induction heating ensures your rice is cooked to fluffy, evenly textured perfection, while the advanced features and durable construction make this a wise investment for any serious home cook. At number 4 is the Cuckoo Electric Heating Pressure Rice Cooker. Cuckoo is a trusted name in the world of rice cookers, and their electric induction heating model takes the brand's signature performance to new heights. Blending cutting-edge induction heating technology with pressure cooking capabilities, this appliance delivers restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Capacity. With a generous 6-cup uncooked rice capacity, this Cuckoo rice cooker is perfect for feeding larger families or meal prepping for the week ahead. Its sizable interior ensures you can whip up ample amounts of perfectly cooked rice with ease. Pressure cooking and induction heating. The real magic of this Cuckoo model lies in its innovative combination of pressure cooking and induction heating. The pressure function locks in flavors and nutrients, while the induction technology provides precise, even heat distribution for flawless results every time. Voice navigation. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its voice navigation system, which provides step-by-step instructions in multiple languages. This intuitive interface makes the cooking process a breeze, even for novice users. Why it's great. For rice lovers who demand the best, the Cuckoo Electric Induction Heating Rice Cooker is a game-changer. Its unparalleled performance, advanced features, and user-friendly design make it a worthy investment for any home cook seeking restaurant-quality results. At number 3 at our list is the Tiger JKT-D Induction Heating Electric Rice Cooker. Tiger is a renowned brand in the world of rice cookers, and their JKT-D induction heating model is a shining example of the company's commitment to innovation and performance. Blending advanced induction heating technology with a host of user-friendly features, this rice cooker is a game-changer for home cooks seeking restaurant-quality results. Capacity. With a 5.5-cup uncooked rice capacity, the Tiger JKT-D is perfectly suited for families or those who enjoy meal prepping. Its generous interior allows you to prepare ample amounts of fluffy, evenly cooked rice with ease. Induction heating. At the heart of this rice cooker's exceptional performance is its induction heating technology. Unlike traditional heating elements, induction heating provides precise, even heat distribution, ensuring your rice cooks to perfection every time. Cooking functions. In addition to its powerful induction heating capabilities, the Tiger JKT-D offers a range of specialized cooking functions. From quick cook options to settings tailored for different rice varieties, you can achieve restaurant-quality results with the touch of a button. Why it's great. For home cooks who want the benefits of a high-end rice cooker without the premium price tag, the Tiger JKT-D induction heating model is an excellent choice. Its combination of advanced features, exceptional performance, and mid-range cost make it a standout option in the crowded rice cooker market. At number 2 is the Panasonic Induction Heating System Rice Cooker. The Panasonic Induction Heating System Rice Cooker is a great option for those looking to upgrade their rice cooking experience. With its 5-cup uncooked capacity, induction heating technology, and versatile cooking functions, this model delivers reliable and consistent results. 5-cup uncooked capacity. The Panasonic rice cooker has a 5-cup uncooked capacity, making it suitable for small to medium households. This capacity allows you to cook enough rice for a family meal or meal prep without taking up too much counter space. Induction heating for even cooking. One of the standout features of this Panasonic model is its induction heating technology. Unlike traditional heating elements, induction heating provides even heat distribution for perfectly cooked rice every time. This efficient heating system ensures your grains are fluffy and evenly cooked throughout. Multiple cooking functions. In addition to standard white rice cooking, this Panasonic rice cooker offers settings for brown rice, porridge, and steam cooking. This versatility allows you to prepare a variety of grains and dishes beyond just plain white rice. Why it's great. While this Panasonic rice cooker may not have all the bells and whistles of some higher-end models, it is a solid and reliable choice, especially for those seeking the benefits of induction heating technology. At number 1 is the Zojirushi and HCC-10XH induction heating rice cooker. When it comes to cooking rice, the Zojirushi and HCC-10XH induction heating rice cooker is a standout appliance that delivers exceptional results. With its advanced induction heating technology, multiple cooking functions, and convenient features, this rice cooker is a game-changer for home chefs who take their rice seriously. 5.5-cup uncooked capacity. The Zojirushi rice cooker has a generous 5.5-cup uncooked capacity, making it suitable for small to medium-sized households. This ample volume allows you to prepare enough rice for a family meal or meal prep without taking up too much counter space. Multiple rice cooking functions. This Zojirushi model offers a variety of pre-programmed rice cooking functions, including settings for white rice, jasmine rice, sushi rice, and brown rice. The versatility of these settings ensures you can achieve perfectly cooked results for a wide range of rice types. Induction heating technology. The star feature of this rice cooker is its induction heating technology. Unlike traditional heating elements, induction heating provides even and precise heat distribution throughout the entire inner pan. This results in rice that is cooked to perfection, with a fluffy and consistent texture. Why it's great. The Zojirushi and HCC-10XH induction heating rice cooker stands